I ordered some Madagascar bourbon vanilla beans. And it comes in a little package like this. And I also have a fifth of vodka. So the recipe is 3 whole vanilla beans for 8 ounces of vodka. So I'm going to make this first batch in these little jars that look like little miniature mason jars. So I'm going to see how they look in this. And what you're supposed to do is take the vanilla beans, and since I have 4 of these jars, I need 6, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of the whole vanilla beans. Now, what you're supposed to do is, and I went ahead and sterilized my jars. Even though they won't be sealed, I went ahead and sterilized them. So this is what I'm going to do. You're supposed to cut the vanilla beans in half, and it says either use a knife or a scissor. Okay, so I'm using scissors to cut them in half. And then you take a sharp knife and split them. And you're supposed to pull them open so that the insides are exposed. Okay, so now I'm going to turn my little jars up, and I'm going to put 3 pieces in each 4-ounce jar. And now I'm going to fill the jars up with the vodka. And they say that you don't have to get expensive vodka, but you do need to get the good vanilla. And Madagascar is supposed to be the best. I'm spilling this. I'm going to wipe the rims of the jars off. Now this is supposed to take about 2 months for the vanilla extract to be made. And the longer it sits, the better. Okay, so there we go. 4 little jars of vanilla extract, hopefully in about 2 months. And I'll decorate the jars a little bit and give them for Christmas gifts.